Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to capture a photo from a video in CapCut. It's super easy and helpful if you want to save a specific moment as an image. Let's get started. The first step is to import your video. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import the video you want to capture a photo from by selecting it from the gallery or continue with an existing project. The next step is to find the frame you want to capture. Play and scrub through the video timeline to find the exact frame you want to save. Pause the video when you reach the perfect moment. The next step is to take a screenshot. CapCut doesn't have a built-in photo export option, so the easiest way is to take a screenshot of the frame. Simply use your phone screenshot feature to capture the image on your screen. And for an optional step, you can crop the screenshots to remove any extra interface elements, making it look clean and focused on the frame. And that's it guys, you successfully captured the photo from your video in CapCut. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy creating your own video. Bye bye!